So last year, I was creating plans and layout from a SketchUp model, and I realized something. I hated the way my drawings looked. I loved the way my models looked, but whenever I moved on to documentation, I was never fully satisfied with the result. This problem actually really bothered me. I knew that there were people out there creating great looking 2D plans in layout, so I knew it was possible, but I just didn't have a solution. So I started studying the issue, trying to answer the question, what makes professional plans look different from the amateur ones? I spent months researching, testing, and building a process not only to make visually impressive plans and layout, but also a system that could make plan creation easy, repeatable, and fast. That process became the Plan Essentials. The Plan Essentials is my complete system for creating professional plans from your SketchUp models. Here's what it teaches you. 1. It teaches you how layout actually works as more of a publishing program connected to SketchUp. Once you understand this, it stops feeling foreign and you feel much more confident. 2. I teach you how to set up your model so that layout runs fast. No more waiting for files to render because your layout project is set up right. 3. I teach you the visual principles that make your plans look professional. Visual hierarchy, depth, all of it. It's a complete start to finish process. You'll see me completely model a project for documentation with all the steps, and then you'll watch the full layout workflow from model to finished drawings. Nothing is skipped in this lesson so that you can see exactly what I do. You get downloadable example files so you can see exactly how everything is set up. This is the most comprehensive training on SketchUp to layout documentation that exists. Plus, you also get built-in support so that you don't get stuck, and you get access to my dynamic component libraries. My libraries of adjustable components that you can just drop in and resize. No extra modeling is needed. The Plan Essentials is available for now as a standalone course, but only for a limited time. After this launch, it's only available as a part of the full SketchUp Essentials course. This is your only chance to get it by itself. So this offer closes Thursday at 11:59 p.m. You'll get lifetime access, 60 days of support with live calls and forum access, and access to my dynamic cabinet library to speed up your modeling so that you can focus on doing the designing. If you're done wasting days on layout and want professional looking plans, I'll link to the course in the notes below this video. Learn the system, create professional documentation, and complete your workflow. The link's in the notes down below. I'd love to help you learn how to create great looking plans in layout.